As you can folks see, how are you doing good today folks? I am also doing good today. So I have bought you this Kawasaki Ninja bike. I have bought you this Kawasaki Ninja bike, top selling fantastic super bike by Kawasaki, 2024 model. This is by Kawasaki, 2024 top end model. Yeah, now I'm telling you the features of the Kawasaki bike 2024. Features are LED headlamps front and back, TFT display, fat tires, petrol diesel you can put, arams you can sit and go on Ladakh in the Ninja bike Kawasaki bike you can sit and go Ladakh. Front look is too good of the Kawasaki bike, super fantastic bike by Kawasaki. This is top end segment, best selling of the units in the Kawasaki Ninja bike series. This is LED lights also we are getting, fat tires we are getting, halogen number plate area light we are getting, ABS we are getting in Kawasaki bike, anti-braking locking system. ABS means anti-braking locking system in Kawasaki Ninja bike. This feature we have. Yeah. Then we have this Kawasaki, this also, this is also there, then this is also there. Number plate area light is this is the number plate area without light. Then LED projector goods lights, LED projector good sharp lights. This is LED projector good sharp lights. This is LED projector good sharp lights. This is LED projector good sharp lights. This is, yeah. Then we have this good fat tires also. Good fat tires with the front and rear wheel disc brake. Yeah. Let me come to the side look of the bike. Ninja badging we have the good carbon fiber painted Ninja in the black badging as well. Good carbon fiber painted Ninja badging in the black color. Ninja badging, this is NINGA Ninja badging. Yeah. Then this is the instrument cluster is normal, not digital. This is the analog one instrument cluster, 1000 RPM. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15 kilometers it can go up to. This is the normal instrument cluster in the Kawasaki bike, not digital. This is not digital. Yeah. Then you can put the petrol diesel here. Petrol diesel def you can put here. Yeah. Then we have this 300 badging as well, Kawasaki Ninja bike 300 badging. This is also there. Good seats are there. 300 badging. This is good 300 badging. 300 badging. Yeah. Good seats. In this you can sit and go in the Ladakh in the Kawasaki Ninja 300 bike. Yeah. We have the normal dippers, not matrix. Normal dippers we have, not matrix. Area light is halogen, not LED. Matrix normal, LED no. Halogen number plate area light is good. Yeah. Dual cylinder exhaust we have. We have the dual cylinder exhaust. Dual cylinder exhaust we have, yeah. Dual cylinder exhaust, yeah. Yeah. Dual cylinder exhaust, yeah. Then we come to the back look of the bike. Then we come to the side look. Yeah. Top selling top end bike by Kawasaki. This is sells more units than cars in the Kawasaki Ninja Bike 300 series. This is metal is solid of the bike, as you can hear it. Metal is solid, yeah. Ninja badging in black, carbon fiber painted, yeah. And this is the final front, yeah. Features I am telling you of the Kawasaki bike 900. Features I am telling you of the Kawasaki bike 300. Features are LED lights it has, fat tires it has, normal instrument cluster, not digital, not matrix LED indicators, normal indicators it has, and yeah. Features I have told you about the Kawasaki bike. Top end model, sells more than cars. Kawasaki 300 bike Ninja, very popular bike. This is the Kawasaki Ninja 300 bike, very popular, yeah. And this is the final front look of the Kawasaki Ninja bike 300 series. Kawasaki Ninja bike 300 series, yeah. Final front look of the Kawasaki bike 300 Ninja series.